bullshit there. Just come realistically. Dash with belly girl. You understand? I never me tell you if you run into lesbianism because you dash with all of your blood.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Well, gone. Bless upon yourself first and foremost. Hold on there with the latest mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if for your first time. Yes, yeah, people. So, I know you see the description of the video. You see me? Yeah, man. To the video, gonna be lit. So remember to subscribe. You see me, guys. Anyways, Pretti Don Dash your belly. Well, at least that we are here and look like people know what going differently. So it was the fact. So if you know what here,
bullshit there. Just come realistically. Dash with belly girl. You understand? I never me tell you if you run into lesbianism because you dash with all of your blood clot with them. And them something that you have to come with. Because me a spiritualist. So when me know your whole blood clot history, liar girl. Me know when man used to beat you up, kick you up and misangle you. You understand? Because your kettle used to run all about. You understand? And then you run into the lesbian club because your heart broken. Because the man where you want, the married man, him never wants you. Me know your whole life, me know your mama life, me know the whole line of life, you know, dirty life, people. You know, life dirty, you know, no God. And because in a bone for hell, you know, want to bring me down, you know. But I'm not going there. I'm going to go there with you, you know. I'm going to hell with you for 3 fucking days, you know. And you see when me rise, me shall rise like Jesus Christ. And rise with a bigger title, more hype. Your blood clot stupid. You're stupid, no bomber clot, because the amount of hype with me have me a cool, you know. But you not realize that me outfit, take away your fans, take away your woman if me want to take away your woman. You understand? We can't do all that shit because I me have the ping pum pum dog shit. Your pum pum black, no blood clot, and your ear pan your front picky no bomber clot, and your mouth stink no ras clot. Because you don't know how to use mouthwash. You go here, there, and everywhere just a suck pussy, or come on. You understand? I never me did tell you if you go suck out my kind of. You suck out my coffee get to go pan stage show when you see Nico broke. When you see Nico
Amari. So Pretti Don Dash that fuck?
I know them a fuck. I know today them a fuck. You think Maka just bring a girl pan stage so for nothing? You know see the two of them there. You know see a long time them asleep. And Maka a big woman. You understand? And you're there with Maka. You're there with Maka right now for fame. Why you not tell people that? The last year show where you go pan, Maka encourage you and teach you how to perform. You think a girl just go take it up on herself and do something for you like that? Unless she fuck you. Well, you're not going to tell people, say, Maka Diamond a fuck you. Or you a fucker. Which is it? Which is it? Dog shit, don't come talk to me before me talk out all of your business. You understand? Because sometimes I try to cover in the sins by calling up Amari name. So true, you and Maka don't want no attention for the two I know. And I put the attention for me the other day. Kind of don't want the world to realize that the two I know are fuck. And what kind of dirty like that? Number one, you is not a dancehall artist. Oh, why? Why this woman a legendary artist? I got take up this Pacheri and say she bring her in a dancehall. When Maka not even deal with charity. You know, she say you're worse than charity. Why? Because you take the fucking deal to and a fuck Maka and then want to come talk to me dog shit. You can't blood clot talk to me. And when me put me fucking pussy over your face, bitch, you can't satisfy me. You understand? Because your mouth need filter and your mouth stink the blood clot. You line no bomber clot. And you come on internet. I mean, run this blood clot. Run social media, dirty bomber wall. Where you come from? Where you come from? I want to fool you. Tell your dirty mama say to top fuck all bout.
No. Listen.
I tell the rascal mama say listen. Yeah, Daba, you not stop she when she cause me cuss off this blood clot bitch. Your mama do a run
No, but you wanna win.
Don't blood clot deal with me dog shit. Somebody can bring forth something like you. Eh? All the way to blood clot Calvary mood I go before me breathe and bring forth something like you. You know, to say you fi flush down blood clot, tell you. Bitch, you better blood clot switch. A long time you're up on my blood clot name, bitch. Back off. Enough of your ass clot. I gonna beat you to that like bop whore. But you don't come back on the internet when me done with your bumper clot. You go out prison the other day and fuck off all of the dog shit girl them. Back off, bitch. You ain't talking to me. The girl not a class man. You can't go fuck somebody tough like Maka. And then you know blood clot call up Spice name. If me a fuck somebody, me a fuck Spice. Me not fuck Maka. Cause Maka tough no bomber clot. Yeah? Talk to me, love. When this dirty stinking girl there, go to your man and I see blood every month. Go to your man and I put on pad every fucking month. Bitch, you say Amari crazy? Are you crazy? That girl proud of me fuck and every boy fuck me is a be my drive. Me not fuck low class boy. Any boy fuck me, I'm still glad to this day because I'm still ring down my line. Mama tell us it about me and more and I never have to dash you a belly cause boy beat me for breathe for them. Hold on, we at there. You see, if me could ever get a belly, me know some would have me the baby mother would get be a blood clot beat up and me not net boy see me beat because I work hard. Wait. What you say about papers good eh? A chill is my work 7 day blood clot with me have to wake up early morning and go work. Bring care you worry about that which blood clot year you cost me not this year, last year, and the year before that because your blood clot late. You late the bumbo clot. Mama, there's no day you can't be classified. Mama have more than blood clot bring care me not ask. I support and so on and sorry. My name blood clot pussy, yes, but my name no blood clot all like your when your pussy look like what that can't draw breaks. Mama, me not ask you, Mama, you not say you break shoe them robot. Me not for ask a bumbo clot. Mama, no girl no want you for fuck with that the blood clot drunker for the entire blood clot face. Why your blood clot face or the same big girl look cute? Which part of your face smooth, Mama? Mama, your face look like country road, the blood clot all road them there. The red dirt road them, Mama, the road them when I no blood clot cement and stuff on them, Mama. And them the road there. Mama, you look like the dirt when all the pregnant girl they near but that them a breed. Mama, you can't come for reason with me. Yes, me name my pussy from my green cat and my wife the right blood clot give us a she me name deal in a blood clot, me not ask you. My glad bumbo clot glad cause my throat was festive when I got it. I enter you come cost me again if you do your blood clot research because this a blood clot germs they have fear when me not ask you. Amari you not have nothing in a life and me not ask me and tell you. Section 8 hates you. America blood clot hate you have up the whole 13 pounds just because you know say America look off a drunker like you. Members say yes so me live. Tell everybody say you live free, squat free and you fuck free. Members say everything we have in your house you buy them off a blood clot offer up. Talk to me nice. Bumbo clot people have hate you. Thrift store hate you. Woman you're not going to blood clot. Man, I know your way. Which part never see a blood clot here yet, Mama. Right round at the blood clot trip, America trip, hate you. Me nah, good day. What I have reason with me, but reason with me with your credentials because you're not a close, dirty Mari. Mari, your clothes, they look like them a drop off here, people close the bar, you have to go on. And Mari, you can't reason with me because if me never blood clot, you'll close me around your foot. And the little man calling a shit, me shit in a female and him with a glad feet. Because me a girl look good in a clothes, no blood clot, pussy fat and pussy tight. Me not ask you, any boy me fuck me mad that. Me not talk about like blood clot.
Me talk about.
Boy we have them blood clot things. Still want in a my blood clot rare got all tight, all clean. Me not ask you. Me a blood clot butch girl, but me can quint me all. The whole very blood clot, but me take fuck back to your side way. Yeah. Me I know why you just hurt you as a shot girl a cock me up now. Yes. She cock me up and I love it. One time she cock me up, she fuck me like a blood clot G. My blood clot G. When that she fuck me because she cock Mr. Zaddy. When blood clot Zaddy done fuck me in a blood clot that done choke me because I fuck like a whore. And that blood clot hurt you. Joe, you don't see me come out there a blood clot boy like you me not fuck my tape because my sex tape them drop. Me rich. Bitch, me
me talk about.
Me fuck with blood clot class and me know some good. Me hold tight and me know some good for my blood clot mouth. Me not ask it. That's why me not busy. I'm not name dirty food like yo. Good. Show up on me. Me name good warm. Me not name warm up food. Me name cook food, good food, red food. Right now, anything out of that dash in a blood clot garbage, fresh food. Me a cup banners, bitch. Me cook my food in front of your face, how? Bitch, just know that right now, bitch. I know when you attack, alright, then I'm going to the water. Niam, no. Let me show you why I got all dirty blood clot, you like you can niam me. Any day you done send my bird bun down. When you go over the LGBT, you go. LGBT and you must blood clot you, because you're not over here so good. I am the lesbian in the blood clot bundle. Yes, me and pussy, I'm a blood clot you. Busy, I'm a tongue nice. Have a good night.